I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Hey guys, my name's Gary. I'm not a bartender, and welcome back to Casual Drinking. Today we're gonna have sex on the beach. Or I should say, we're gonna make a drink called Sex on the Beach. Since it's getting hot out there, I feel like making a refreshing cocktail that I believe started around the 1980s by a Florida bartender. This cocktail has 4 simple ingredients that include peach schnapps, orange juice, cranberry juice, and vodka. For your garnishes, we're gonna be using an orange slice and cherries. Now that we know what we need to make it, let's get to mixing. And there you have it, sex on the beach. I hope you guys enjoyed this cocktail. It was really simple to make. You did not have to shake it, but I did. You can easily mix it inside the glass. Please give a like and subscribe if you're new. And be sure to comment what kind of drink you'd like to see me make. As always guys, later.